Greetings everybody, I am Shujat Ali from Medicals Lectures by Shujat, and on request of students of my university, we are going to start an informational series about licensing exams. And our first lecture is about PLAB. We are going in complete detail of this PLAB eligibility criteria, how to apply, when to apply, and what are its fee structures. So PLAB is basically a professional and linguistic assessment board. So the main requirements are basically two main requirements. First is English proficiency, which I later on discuss in complete detail about Ielts and OET exam. And second is completion of medical primary education. Unlike that of UK-MLE, where we can apply in our students era in third year, fourth year and fifth year, PLAB requires a completion of medical education, a 5-year degree of that medical education. So there are two parts of PLAB. One is PLAB 1 and the other one is PLAB 2. In PLAB 1, we have 180 MCQs total. 3 hours are for attempting these, and 120 to 126 are the passing marks, and 240 pounds are the fee of this PLAB 1. In the same way, in PLAB 2, we have 18 stations and there are 8 minutes for each station, and total fee is 875 pounds for that PLAB 2. PLAB 1 you can apply in UK or in any international center, like we have international center in Pakistan, in India and in Dubai. In the same way we have in Malaysia and other countries. In the same way for PLAB 2, you have to go UK, and in GMC, where clinical assessment in Manchester, you have to appear there, and you can then proceed to that further steps. So maximum you can 4 to 5 times apply for this and appear in these, and after completion of PLAB 1, in 2 years you have to complete that PLAB 2. So it's not very difficult because most of questions are clinical. Now talking about how to prepare PLAB, like I have this PLAB 1 book. So when we open the content part of this PLAB 1, we have different systems which we study in our semesters, like we have CVS, endo, we have neuro system. In the same way we have hematology system. So if we are studying these systems in our semester, we'll definitely go through with these MCQs of PLAB. These are clinical MCQs. So the purpose is basically to assess that which kind of MCQs are basically going to be in PLAB. So these are almost barely 100 MCQs in each system. So if we can read out these, we definitely got an idea how to prepare this PLAB. Another ideas are basically Dr. Khalid questions, Dr. Sampson's notes. Mock exam is the key for preparation. In the same way, Oxford handbook. Look, the PLAB is going to be replaced with UK-MLE in 2023. So UK-MLE also have its two parts. We have applied knowledge test. We have CPSA, which is clinical and professional skills assessment, like that of PLAB 1 and PLAB 2. Now talking about proficiency in language. So we have two main tests. We have Ielts, in which we require 7 bands in each, in reading, in speaking and in writing. We have required 7 bands. But then Ielts we have OET, which is second exam, occupational English test. It is basically slightly easier than that of Ielts. We require B grade for passing in that of OET. OET is basically, no OET is available in Pakistan also, and it's also like that of PLAB, has international recognitions. After passing GMC, your journey is far more easier and you will have a bright future. So it's my prayer that you all will have bright future and you all will definitely going to get benefit from this video. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe Medicals Lectures by Shujat. Thank you so much.